Quadrilateral true. In exercise 4.4, in question 1 sub question 2, quadrilateral true, TRUE. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU equal to 3 centimeter, UE equal to 4 centimeter, angle R equal to 75 degree, angle U equal to 120 degree. So let's draw a rough diagram. Quadrilateral. So let's name the quadrilateral true, TRUE. Then write the given measures. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU equal to 3 centimeter, UE equal to 4 centimeter. Then angle R equal to 75 degree. Angle R equal to 75 degree. Angle U equal to 120 degree. So actually what condition in this exercise? When 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. When 3 sides and 2 included angles. Yeah, 3 sides are given and moreover the angles are included. Is it or not? The 75 degree is included within these 2 sides and this 120 degree also included within these 2 sides. So we can construct. So let's draw the base TR 3.5 centimeter. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then which vertex we need to construct, whether vertex E or vertex U? Vertex E is not possible because we have at present T and R, point T and point R. From T there is no connectivity to get the vertex E, and from U also not available. So first let's construct the vertex U. So to get the vertex U from R, at R 75 degree and angle 75 degree to be constructed. Then from R 3 centimeter arc. So let's construct 75 degree. Suppose if you are using protractor to construct 75 degree, we keep the pointer center of the protractor on R and we adjust the left hand side baseline. Then 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, because we start from here only. So this is 75 degree. Suppose if you are constructing 75 degree using compass, take the convenient radius in your compass and keep the pointer of the compass on R. Make a long arc like this. Then you received an intersecting point. From that point it is 60 degree and from here it is 120. From 120 one arc and from 60 another arc, and if you join this it is 90 degree, but we are not going to construct 90, we are going to construct 75. So what you have to do, just you mark the straight line. When you draw, this is 90 degree, this point only you get 90 degree. So now this is 60 degree and this one 90 degree, and between this 60 and 90 only you can construct 75 degree, because 60 plus 90 150, 150 divided by 2 75 degree. So we make bisector here. So between 60 and 90, so take more than half. Take more than half of 60 and 90. This is more than half. So from 90 one arc, then from 60 another arc. So now we received an angle 75 degrees. See, it is the point which we made with protractor, no, both are coming on the same line, so it is correct, 75 degree. Okay, then to get the vertex U from R, you need to make 3 centimeter arc. We need to make 3 centimeter arc. So from R, because RU is 3 centimeter, to get the vertex U, first we constructed angle 75 degree. Then from R, let's make an arc with 3 centimeter, and this intersecting point only U. This intersecting point only U. So this is 75 degree, and this RU length is 3 centimeter. Now we need to get the vertex E. So to get the vertex E from U, at U 120 degree, then from U 4 centimeter length arc to be made. So let's construct 120. If you construct 120 using protractor, keep the center of the protractor on this point U, and which side you should adjust? Left hand side only, because the angle form here, not here. So adjust left hand side, and you move from this 0. If you move from this 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. It will come here. So now using a compass, how we are going to do? So take convenient radius in your compass. Make a long arc. Then you are receiving intersecting point. The arc is intersecting the line RU. So from this intersecting point, make one arc. This is 60 degree. Then from this from this intersecting point, another arc. So now this is 60 degree. This point, this one 60 degree, and this is 120. So now we need 120 only, no? So let's join that 120. This is 60 degree. If you join this, it is 60. 120 only we need. So this is 120. See, now both, the protractor point also meeting correctly. If you are constructing only with protractor, you can proceed, or if you do with compass, you have to do like this. Then let's join. So now we need to get the vertex E. To do that, from U 120, at U 120 we constructed. Now UE 4 centimeter. UE 4 centimeter. So from U 4 centimeter arc. Now this point is E. Let's join ET. So now we received the required quadrilateral true. This is 120 degree, and this measure is 4 centimeter. So now we received the required quadrilateral true.